Guys, it's your girl Quoia Renae, and I'm back with another video. So as you all can see, these edges are kinky as heck, but we are going to get these edges all the way together today. I have struggled with my edges since I stopped getting relaxers, so if you're interested in how I get them together, then stay tuned for the video. So I'm going to go in with some heat protectant by Chi, and I'm going to start to spray that all over my edges. And then I'm just going to rub that in so that it can get evenly distributed throughout my edges. Then I'm going to take my small babyless flat irons. I ordered these from Offlines. I cannot remember where I got them from, but if you just type in small babyless irons on Google, you'll see them pop up. So now I'm just combing out my edges, and then I'm going to go in with that babyless flat iron, and I'm going to do about 2 passes on each small section of my edges. And you all need to do this method. You need to straighten your edges first. That's very imperative, because if you don't straighten your edges first, it's not going to work. And also, if you haven't washed your edges, it's also not going to work. You need to make sure you have some clean edges, or you just need to rinse your edges with some water and put a little conditioner on it, and that also will make it do what it do. Next, after I have straightened my edges, as you all can see, what I'm going to do next is go in with my comb, and I'm just going to do the other side. So since I've stopped getting relaxers, this is what I do to get my edges slayed and get it to blend with my sew-in. You don't want kinky edges when you got a bone straight sew-in. Like you got to get it together. And because I don't get relaxers anymore, I had struggled for a long time with trying to get my edges to lay down. But since I've started to do this method, it's a bit tedious. It's going to take a little, time or process, but it's worth it. So I'm going to go in with my 24-hour edge tamer from Even Edge Control, and then I'm going to go in with this edge brush. On one end it has a comb, and then the other end it has a brush. And then I'm just going to take that edge control and just lay that edge control on my edges. And it's going to look like I put a lot on my edges in the beginning, but I really am putting like little dabs of the edge control on my edges. So you can just take a little bit at a time. So once you've done that step, you can leave it like this if you want to. If you want to look like Bonchika from down the street, go ahead. But me, I'm going to go in with my Got To Be glue gel on top of that Even Edge control. I find that mixing these 2 edge controls work best. Like, it's going to get your edges slayed literally for 2 whole days, y'all. 2 whole days. Now, let me issue a bit of a disclaimer. It is going to leave a residue on your hair. It's going to leave a residue on your hair. But you can also, like I said, if you're natural, you can always go back in with some water and just dab some water on your edges, and then that'll take away some of the flakiness of the edge control. So now I'm just going to start to create like my little baby hairage, really grown up hairage, and then I am going to start to kind of create those little, what is they called, y'all? I don't know what they call, but the swoops. Yeah, the swoop thingies. I'm going to create those, and we're going to get into this slayage, honey. You can get both these products from the beauty supply store as well as the edge brush. If you don't have an edge brush, you can always go in with the, at home way. Use an old toothbrush, clean it off, of course. And then you can just go in with your toothbrush if that's all you have. But these things are just $1 and they're worth it. And I like to use the comb in first to make those swoops, y'all. And then once I've used the comb in, I'm going to go over that product. I'm going to go over that again with the brush end of the edge tamer brush. Now, don't be in my comment section telling me you doing too much. You got to put too much product on your hair. It's going to do this and it's going to do that. No. Listen, go on with all that. Go on. Because I don't want to hear that. When you don't get relaxers no more, and if you still get sew-ins with your leave out, you have to find different methods that works for you. And this method, I promise you, will work wonders for your edges. Just do what you got to do. Be patient. And take your time. Don't rush. You can't rush greatness. So as you all can see, I already got those edges looking good. I'm just going to start on the other side of my head. Now, I'm going to let y'all know now, I really couldn't get this side of my edges done as good as I would have liked to, because prior to me filming this video, prior to me filming this side of the video, my sister had just informed me that we had to hurry up and get ready to go to my niece's little program. So I had to kind of rush this side of my hair. And also I wasn't really getting as much footage. I was looking all in the mirror, not even really looking at the camera, trying to let y'all see. So but you can see the other side. I did the same thing that I did on the other side of my hair on this side. And then this, guys, is the part where I was telling you all about, where I was looking in the mirror. I couldn't really look at y'all too much to let y'all see because I was in a bit of a rush. So I apologize for that. But like I said, I did the same thing that I did on the other side on this side. Now I'm going to go in with my blow dryer. I'm going to have it on the cool setting. Make sure that you have it on the cool setting, and I'm just going to smooth out my edges and kind of shape my swoops a little bit more and just smooth out my edges with that cool setting. And this is going to set those edges in place. And it's okay to have you a little Beyonce moment while you got that blow dryer on, honey. Check out that fleekiness, honey. Yes. Now I'm going to take a hair wrap. This is the wrap that you put on your hair when you're about to do quick weaves, but you can also use them when you're laying down your edges. You can get this from the beauty supply store or order it on Amazon as well. And I'm just going to wrap that around my head, and then I'm just going to brush out my hair. I'm going to leave that on my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes. For the best results, I would say leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'm going to go in with some hairspray. I'm going to take that paper off my edges. It was giving me a bit of a hard time, so I had to use some scissors, and these are the results, honey. Yes, honey, yes. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and go watch another video, y'all. Don't stop here. Watch another one of my videos. Tune into how I got this slayage. This hair is also from Kendra's Boutique. If you want to check out my review on this hair, you can go check out one of those other videos on my channel. As always, I love you all so much. Bye.